Why are you playing Disney music?
Why?
Yes.
Because it would be copyright infringement for you.
What do I do?
You're a city council person.
Absolutely. We're paying you on tax dollars. You're not going to conduct yourself like that in front of my neighbors?
I apologize.
Apologize to him.
I apologize.
Get back in your car and do your job properly.
I am.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story features Santa Ana Audits, who at around 10:15 p.m. on April 4th of 2022 was filming what appears to be the scene of a vehicle theft recovery in a densely populated residential area. Santa Ana Audits records from across the street, maintaining a large distance from the scene so as to not interfere with the operations. He films for a few minutes until a corporal notices him, walks over to his cruiser, and uses the vehicle's PA system to play various Disney songs.
Oila.
Santa Ana Audits now crosses the street to film closer to the incident. The officer plays the music for more than 5 minutes until Santa Ana Audits asks them if they get paid to do this. None of the other officers on scene make an attempt to end the officers' games. Santa Ana Audits pleads with the corporal to have respect for the neighbors and to turn the music down.
Have respect for the neighbors. Put the music down.
But the music continues.
Yeah, it's a major problem.
A resident of the area joins Santa Ana Audits, asking the officers to turn down the music, as it can be heard in all the nearby residences. Remember that it is now around 10:30 at night and on a Monday.
Hey, what's going on?
Turn the music down, I want to go bed. What's the music for?
The woman asks, "What's the music for?" The answer is prior restraint, the suppression of material intended for publication. In US law, the First Amendment severely limits the ability of the government to do this. Furthermore, specific to the state of California is Civil Code 52.1, otherwise known as the Bain Act. Unfortunately, the Bain Act specifically requires the use of violence, threats, intimidation, or coercion to allow a claim seeking compensatory and punitive damages if someone interferes with your federal or state constitutional or statutory rights. In this case, the officer intends to prevent Santa Ana Audits from uploading his content to YouTube, as it is well known that YouTube's strict adherence to the Copyright Act would prevent the video's widespread distribution on the platform. We know that this is intentional, as this is not the first experience Santa Ana Audits had with the corporal and even refers to him by first and last name.
I don't know why it was recording. Well, technically, that would be embarrassing. I would turn around and sue him.
You don't know about the Constitution?
I do, sir. Have a nice night.
So why are you telling her she could sue me?
Actually, she can't. She can sue anybody about anything.
Oh, really? But why did you tell her that? Why didn't you give her...
You're assuming that. Have a good night, sir.
While the Bain Act cannot be used against this officer due to lack of violence, threats, intimidation, or coercion, this event certainly shows the lack of professionalism, respect for the community, and desire for transparency within the department. Moments after the music is turned off, Santa Ana Council member Jonathan Ryan Hernandez appears to find out more information about why an officer in a leadership position is blasting music out of a tax-funded PA system in a residential neighborhood at 10:30 p.m. on a Monday night. The officer lies to the council member, claiming that Santa Ana Audits isn't allowing the officers to conduct their investigation because he's filming them. So instead of arresting him for obstructing government operations, the officer decided to wake up the entire neighborhood.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Have some respect, Corporal. Have some respect, Corporal. You're in our neighborhood. This ain't your neighborhood. Have some respect.
What's going on with the music, guys?
Exactly. Why are they recording, like playing loud music for like that?
What is going on here, guys?
Tell them to have respect.
Guys, what's going on with the music here?
Tell them to have respect.
What's going on with the music here?
What was that, sir?
What's going on with the music here?
Nothing, sir, which is Mr. Hector not letting us conduct our investigation.
Why are you playing Disney music?
Why?
Yes.
Okay.
He's lying to you. He's lying to you.
Why are you doing it?
Why?
Yes.
Because it would be copyright infringement for you.
Because he knows I have a YouTube channel.
So you're using our resources?
No, I'm not using our resources. I'm using my phone.
No, we're paying you on tax dollars.
Okay. Okay.
Do you know who I am?
I know who you are.
No, you do.
I do. Now I did recognize you.
What do I do? What do I do?
You're a city council person.
Absolutely.
Yes, you are.
And this is my district.
Yes, I apologize.
You're not going to conduct yourself like that in front of my neighbors?
I apologize.
Apologize to him.
I apologize.
back in your car and do your job properly.
I am.
Please.
Okay.
I'm embarrassed.
Okay.
That this is how you're treating my neighbors. There's children here. Have some respect for my community. Do you live here? Do you live here?
Do I live in Santa
Yes.
Ana? No, I don't, sir.
Well, maybe you should treat us with respect.
I do.
You wouldn't
Every
live
day.
here, but my people live here, brother. Please treat them with respect. There's kids that need to go to school.
Okay.
There's people that are working, and you chose to use our taxpayer dollars
No, I
to
didn't.
disrespect
But okay.
a man with your music. That's childish, sir.
Okay, I apologize again.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. So I will stay here until you guys.
Okay,
What are
I
you
appreciate
guys doing?
We're still conducting an investigation. The vehicle happened to be a stolen vehicle.
That's what you're doing for a stolen vehicle. Why don't we just walk in there?
What do you mean?
I mean, so we're closing the streets down.
We're not closing the streets, sir.
What's the purpose of the Disney music then?
What do you mean?
You're playing Disney music and you just hit pause on it?
Oh,
So there's a small.
I have a First Amendment right as well.
I know you do. Absolutely. I'm not blocking.
And he's on record that he violated last time as well.
There's a small vehicle.
See, they do this all the time.
I apologize already. I apologize.
So is everything okay here? Is there anything that we should have?
No, I turned it off because I realized it. Okay.
You see, another violation.
So is everything okay here? Because there's a lot of neighbors that are concerned.
Like I said, I really apologize, sir. Okay. I realize my mistake.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thank you.
No problem, sir.
Thank you.
And he sounded all dramatic. I wasn't interfering, okay? I came after the fact.
These guys.
I understand.
And I have it on video.
There's space. Yes. There's space. I'm yet to approach him. That's not. No, I'm not.
Thank you guys. There's an incident that happened here and they're going to do their job as best they could. I want to make it very clear that, you guys are going to respect our neighbors. We don't want to get in the way of you guys doing your job properly, but I just had to address
No.
the
I
noise that
truly
was
want to.
happening.
Hey, like I said,
Okay?
I realize I made a mistake, sir.
Absolutely.
I apologize. I didn't know it was abusive. No problem.
All right, so we're going to go this way now.
Okay.
Thank you, council member. I've been dealing with these guys by myself.
You're not alone.
These guys do this all the time. All the time. If you tell him what's in the First Amendment, he won't know it. He won't know it.
Turn your camera off. I'll talk to you. Private.
He won't know it if you tell him what's in the First Amendment.
I'll talk to you.
And he took an oath to the Constitution.
So I'll talk to you off camera.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
All right. Thank you. Have some respect next time, Corporal.
Sorry.
Power only concedes to the greater power. It's sickening that the corporal's behavior changes that much between dealing with the public and dealing with a council member. This department takes $141 million a year from its citizens just to treat them this way. And in case you missed it, the officer doesn't even live in the district.
Do you live here?
Do I live in Santa
Yes.
Ana? No, I don't, sir.
Well, maybe you should treat us with respect.
I do.
You wouldn't
Every
live
day.
here.
A big thanks to Santa Ana Audits for allowing me the opportunity to share this video with you. Be sure to head over to his channel using the links below and let him know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.